Yo, welcome back to BMF Speed Shop. So I'm out here tooling away on Bloody Mary and got the glass back in. Got the windshield. Well, I got the windshield back in, not all the glass, just the windshield. Uh, just messing around. I got the floor pan all done. And then I was just looking at like sample fabrics here. I got this black, like lacy kind of fabric. And I think I'm gonna go with it. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna get it in here. I might put a piece of wood in here first, and then wrap it all with this like black shiny lace fabric. This was actually my Halloween costume because I was the Grim Reaper, and I got that from some dollar something store. But yeah, glass is back in. Pretty stoked. I don't see any areas where it's gonna leak. It's sealed up nice. I mean, I just put a piece of fiberglass over there on that side because it had a big rust hole in it, and before I just had a license plate in there, so it's better than it was. And I still got to do another coat on here, but I think I'm going to put all the glass back in and then tape it off and then do one final coat because I'm running out of time. It's almost spring. But I don't know. Stuff's getting kind of crazy out there with this coronavirus everywhere, so spending the time in the garage and, just playing with the toys. That's what I do. I really got to get this Monte Carlo done, though, because I need to get this Cadillac going. I cannot wait. Cannot wait to weld all this metal in here and finish up this floor pan. And see if I can get this old 472 running. I haven't even messed with this thing yet, so she's going to be bad. But probably not as bad to the bone as this thing is, Bad motherfucker. BMF Speed Shop.